That was me knocking on the table naked.
Oh, we do? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so Greg T has invented a game.
Yeah.
And I don't know anything about it. We're going to play right now, whatever this game is.
Get ready.
Welcome to Greg T's. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
Did you hear
Now,
that?
how do you play Did You Hear That?
So what I did was I went into a studio and I created sounds.
Right.
And then I'm going to play these sounds for you. And then you can guess it to see if you heard that correctly.
What?
What?
That's right. You have to hear the sound.
It's like a
correctly.
Guess That Sound game.
No, this is different. This is
This is exactly what it is. You're going to
What do
play
you
a
mean?
sound and we guess what it is.
no. This is Greg T's. Did you hear that?
The same thing, but there's already a contest like that.
No,
Yeah,
there's
we've been
not.
doing these
Secret
contests
sound, it's called.
we've been doing these for years.
Yeah.
Elvis, I did this today. I was thinking about it over the weekend.
I don't think so.
Let's play. Let's play.
Oh my God.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Here,
It's
give
a
me the
brand
sound
new,
again.
never before heard contest. Okay. That's
Now-
the sound of someone.
Wait. Now I asked the
calling
question. I asked the question.
What do
So
you mean? It's okay.
This is how the game is played. Now
Okay,
you heard
go.
that sound. Now I ask it. Guys, did you hear that correctly?
correctly.
I think so.
Yes.
Okay, so now.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. So, what did you guys think you heard?
A phone dialing.
Sounds like someone
Yeah.
dialing a phone
Someone's
number.
calling a
dial
phone,
tone.
like a hard line.
I bet you did. You want to listen to it again?
Okay,
That is what it is.
that's what it is.
That's
Yeah.
what
No,
it is.
so close. That is me dialing the phone naked.
Well, how do we know that? There's no way to know that.
You obviously were not listening closely.
But you can't hear you naked.
I can
Like,
hear you
did
naked.
you hear
You weren't
that?
listening.
It's like the phone. But we can't hear you naked.
Guys, you have to listen closely.
Okay, let's play with
It's
contestants.
not like
Let's go
your
talk to Veronica.
privates were dialing.
I don't know what line she's on. Scary. Hi, Veronica. Are you ready to play? Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay. Veronica, are you ready?
I don't think so.
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to really listen closely, okay, Veronica?
Okay.
Okay, Scary, give him the sound.
Okay, what was that? No, wait. You have to ask her your question. Go.
Veronica,
Yeah.
did you hear
I don't
that
know.
correctly?
Yes. Can you do it one more time?
Okay, now hold on, Veronica. Think about it, and I'm going to ask you the question.
Okay.
Did you hear that correctly?
Correctly.
Jeez.
Okay, I have two choices. Either I don't think it's somebody knocking on the door. I think it's somebody like tapping against like a table or something.
Okay, I need one answer, Veronica. One
Shopping a
answer.
table.
I think it's knocking against a table or tapping against a table.
Okay, Veronica, unfortunately, you were so close, but you're wrong.
Well, what is it?
That was me knocking on the table naked. Sorry, Veronica.
You're the worst.
I'm so sorry.
You can't hear naked. Naked doesn't make a sound.
Like, what the hell?
You're not listening closely. You have to listen
We are.
closely.
This is stupid.
Whatever.
All right. Thank you, Veronica. Sorry about that.
Yeah,
I don't
what
know.
were you knocking with?
What?
Hold on, Veronica's on the phone. Yes, Veronica. Sorry about that.
Can you guys send me a T-shirt and ruin it
No,
for me?
because you lost.
Absolutely,
Be nice,
Veronica.
yes.
I'm going to send you a shirt right now.
Don't be
Okay.
a jackass.
She doesn't get it. She
I appreciate you listening,
Not nice.
Veronica. Hold on one
Not
second.
nice.
Yeah, be nice.
I
This is the
am.
dumbest game ever. Okay, let's go see if Christine can guess this.
All right, it's the last one.
Hi guys.
Hi, Christine. Guess what the sound is, and then just use the word naked at the end.
Absolutely.
Christine,
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Christine?
Totally.
Okay, listen closely, and thanks for playing. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, go, Skip. Christine, I have to ask you the question. Did you hear that?
Correctly.
I did.
Okay.
Okay, what was it?
That is Greg T whistling naked.
Well,
Is it?
it was close. That was actually Scary Jones whistling naked. That was
This is
really
stupid.
That was close, Christine.
This is just stupid. Why are you people laughing This is the dumbest crap I've ever heard.
It was close. It was close. It was close.
All right, well, Christine, thank you.
You tricked me.
Sorry about that.
I love you, T.
Well, again,
No.
I'll get you guys more sound for tomorrow. We'll play it again.
No, not on this show. You
We'll
won't.
continue to play it until someone gets it right.
But that wasn't good.
That sounds familiar.
And listen, my prize starts out. I have a prize, and then tomorrow I'll build up on the prize.
What's the prize?
What?
What was the prize today?
I can't tell you. Someone has
Thank
to
you.
Thank you,
Thank
for
you,
playing.
Greg.
Did
Thank
hear-
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is that
Greg T,
that's my
everyone.
cue to leave?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't clap. All right, thank you, Roundhead.
Bye-bye.
That was so much fun.
That was fun. Yeah.
We'll
What
play
was
tomorrow.
fun about it? I don't get it. What was fun about
He's so
that?
stupid. It's so much fun.